Join LeoLeo on his journey to vast Russia. You will visit majestic Kremlin, the Red Square, Siberia, and more. After the trip, LeoLeo will show you how to prepare traditional Russian Syrniki cheese pancakes. When we finish cooking, we have a children quiz for you.
In a warm, cozy house surrounded by singing birds and blooming colourful flowers, there lived a boy named LeoLeo, brimming with dreams. One winter evening, as LeoLeo played with his wooden toy, a matryoshka doll, his dad began to tell a story. "LeoLeo, would you like to visit a country filled with enormous palaces, snowy forests, and the majestic Kremlin?" "The majestic Kremlin?" exclaimed LeoLeo, full of curiosity. "We're going to Russia," added his mum. "A country rich in history, amazing places, and magical moments." Upon arriving in Russia, the family first visited Moscow. Walking across the Red Square, Dad pointed out, "Look, LeoLeo, that's the Kremlin, the heart of Russia's history." "Did a king live in the Kremlin?" asked LeoLeo, admiring the majestic walls and palaces. "Not a king, but it was the residence of the Russian Tsars. Now the president of Russia lives there," Mum explained.
Subscribe our channel for more peaceful and educational stories like this every week.
Their journey continued in St. Petersburg, visiting the Hermitage. "Mum, why is this palace so big?" asked LeoLeo, looking around the vast halls and galleries. "It's one of the largest museums in the world, a treasury of art and history," Mum said. A visit to Siberia unveiled rugged but beautiful landscapes and wild nature. "Dad, is it always this snowy here?" asked LeoLeo, playing in the snowdrifts. "In winter, yes. Siberia is known for its harsh winters," Dad answered, throwing a snowball at LeoLeo. Next, they visited Lake Baikal, which mesmerized them with its mystery. "Mom, is the lake really that deep?" asked LeoLeo, trying to see to the bottom through the crystal-clear water. "Yes, Baikal is the deepest lake in the world, full of mysteries," Mom said. The final part of their trip was a show of traditional Russian dance. "It's like the dance from my favourite story," exclaimed LeoLeo, clapping in delight at the sight of the dancers. Russian folk dances are full of energy and beauty, just like all of Russia, Dad added, after returning from their incredible journey across Russia. LeoLeo and his parents decided to turn their memories into something tangible they could create and savour in the comfort of their home. Remembering the flavours they discovered during their visit, they decided to do Syrniki, traditional Russian cheese pancakes, which LeoLeo loved from the first bite. Together, they gathered all the necessary ingredients in the kitchen: 500 grams of cottage cheese, preferably medium fat or full fat for better taste, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 egg, 5 tablespoons of flour, a half teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt and vegetable oil for frying the pancakes. LeoLeo, with his mum's help, started the adventure by preparing the cottage cheese. Together with his parents, they mixed all the ingredients in a large bowl until the mixture became uniform. The cooking adventure turned into fun as LeoLeo, trying to form perfectly flat pancakes, laughed, seeing his first, somewhat crooked creations. "These will be the happiest Syrniki in the world," laughed Dad, as the whole family joined in to form the perfect and less than perfect shapes. When it was time to fry, the kitchen filled with the aroma of cooking dough. LeoLeo watched with fascination as the pancakes slowly turned golden on the pan, his joy growing with each flipped Syrniki. Mom oversaw the process, ensuring each pancake reached golden perfection. They fried them to a golden colour on both sides, which took about 3 minutes per side. When the Syrniki were ready, LeoLeo proudly arranged them on a plate. They served them warm with their favourite toppings: sour cream, honey, jam, and fresh fruits. The whole family sat down to the table to enjoy the taste of Russia together. That evening, sharing stories from their trip and planning future adventures, LeoLeo and his family discovered that the magic of cooking together and sharing a meal could be just as exciting as discovering new places. Russia, with its majestic Kremlin, magnificent Hermitage, mysterious Siberia, and deep Baikal, was now not only a part of their memories, but also an inspiration for creating new traditions in their home. Mom, Dad, where will our next adventure take us? Asked LeoLeo as he fell asleep, dreaming of new journeys. The world is full of wonderful places to discover, LeoLeo. Every journey is a new story, his parents replied, turning off the light and leaving the room filled with the warmth of shared moments and dreams full of adventure.
And now the quiz. What is the name of the residence of the Russian Tsars? I will count to 3. 1, 2, 3. The answer is Kremlin! Congratulations if you remember! Thank you for watching. Now please click the like button and subscribe our channel for more stories.